it's Jamie with JVI Secret Gardens, and we are out here in Hendersonville today building a tranquility pond package for a family, and we're making this pond friendly for all aspects. It's going to be adult friendly because obviously they're going to enjoy the sights and sounds of this gorgeous pond once it's done in their backyard. It's also going to be fish friendly because we're adding a fish cave, place for their fish to kind of relax and hide out. And to make it kid friendly, they've got several small children, we are actually going to add some sort of a beach here on the side. It's going to slope in just a little bit, so it's kind of reminiscent of an actual beach. It's going to give their kids a place to play and enjoy the sounds of the water, so it's going to be friendly for the whole family, fish included. Folks, we are all finished up with this tranquility pond out here in Hendersonville. We are actually going to come back after the pond has settled a little bit and get some reactions from the homeowner, from the parents, and from the children to let us know exactly how they're enjoying this tranquility pond that we built for them. So stay tuned on our channel and we will let you know how this very family-friendly pond came out and how the family is enjoying it. If you want a beach in your own personal backyard, we can make that happen even though we live in a very landlocked Tennessee. Y'all know who to call. It's the guys and the pond girl here at JVI Secret Gardens. We'll see what we can do to make it happen. And you'll always know the drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If there's something you want to know, let us know. We'll do our best to make it happen, at least get your question answered and make a video out of it. In the meantime, I'll catch you in the next video, in the next pond, in the next yard. I'm Jamie from JVI Secret Gardens.